Hi, this is Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead Showers, and today we're going to be replacing a handheld shower holder bracket with our solid brass shower holder bracket. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is a bronze shower head, as you can see, but we also offer it in chrome and brushed nickel, and the replacement installation process is exactly the same. So let's jump in. Part 1. Removing the existing shower head and shower holder. So depending on how long it's been attached on here, you may need to break out your adjustable wrench. We'll start by unthreading the shower hose from the shower holder. You want to do that first because you don't need to uninstall this part. This part is good to go. This is what you're going to reuse. I can unthread this shower holder bracket. This is a plastic shower holder bracket, not very heavy duty, but we're going to be replacing this part with our solid brass part. And before we do that, what you want to do is clean the threads of the shower arm. So with a microfiber cloth or any sort of towel, you want to get all of this old Teflon tape off. Once your shower arm is clean and you've removed all the Teflon tape from it, make sure that it's still solid, intact, and not corroding or anything like that, because you may need to replace it. But if everything looks good, now it's time to install the new heavy-duty shower holder bracket. So here's our shower holder bracket with your instructions. New Teflon tape, so you don't need to run to the store if everything else looks good. And the oil-rubbed bronze shower holder bracket, which is solid brass, versus this one, which is plastic. So we'll start by wrapping the threads with some new Teflon tape, and this will just help to provide a seal on the threads, okay? And the important thing to note when wrapping these threads is you want to go in the same direction as you would twist the shower holder bracket onto. So you don't unwind the Teflon tape as you're tightening down the shower holder. So starting at the bottom of the threads, going in a clockwise motion. So now that we have the Teflon tape applied and we've smoothed it out, it's, given it about 4 to 5 rotations, we're going to install the shower holder bracket, which has a rubber washer in there just to provide an extra level of leak-free seal. So this is pretty straightforward. We're just gonna tighten this on by hand. Just find the threads. And then once you hand tighten the shower holder bracket down all the way, you can use an adjustable wrench to give it an extra turn if you want, but please use a cloth to cover the fitting so you don't scratch it when you're tightening it down. From here, we will go ahead and install the shower head and hose again. If you didn't dismantle your shower head and hose, you'll just attach the fitting that was on the threads of the shower holder. and those can be hand tightened. And then you dock your handheld shower head. And now you have upgraded your shower holder bracket, which can adjust up and down and left and right. It's got really good tension, so it won't droop. And now with the shower holder bracket installed, we'll just go ahead and run the water and make sure that there's no leaking, and you'll be good to go from here. So let's give it a shot. So you'll want to look for any water that's coming out of the 3 areas, the leak points, where you installed it onto the shower arm. So not seeing any leaks from there. The shower hose that attaches to the shower holder, no leaks from there. And the handheld shower head. So looking at it right now, everything looks good. Don't see any water. Again, if you are seeing any leaks, you can tighten this down with an adjustable wrench. That's how you replace your old shower holder bracket with our solid brass shower holder bracket by HammerHead Showers.